All right, kids are going to do lesson 913. First thing it asks is the vertex of f of x. Well, here's f of x right here. So the vertex is obviously 0, 0. The vertex of g of x, remember, it is the opposite sign of this, so it's 3 and then whatever's over there. So 3, negative 4. Okay, next question, I think we're going to do C before we go back and graph this thing. So if you look at C, it wants you to take g of x and put it in standard form and factored form. Well, to put it in standard form, you got to take x minus 3 times x minus 3. So that's x squared minus 6x plus 9, and then we got to subtract 4. Okay, I kind of did that in my head, but you can pull off x minus 3 times x minus 3 this side. So then we're left with x squared minus 6x plus 5, and that is in standard form. Okay, so that is g of x equals that in standard form. How do we do it in factored form? Well, g of x is equal to, let's go ahead and factor this bad boy, x minus, because minus minus gives you this plus right there, 1 and 5, and that is factored form. Okay, now let's go down to 3 because, or excuse me, to letter B, because now it's easy. They want to find the X-intercepts. Well, if it's in factored form, that makes it easy. Okay, let's go back to here. Remember, it's the opposite sign. So 1, 0, 5, 0, those are the X-intercepts. How about the Y-intercept? Well, the Y-intercept, remember, at the most, it's going to be 1. And you just put 0 in for x right up here. So 0 minus 3 is negative 3 squared is 9, and 9 minus 4 is 5. So 0, 5. What did I do? I just put 0 in for x right there and solved. Okay, now we can sketch the graph. Okay, it's real simple. Well, the vertex is 3, negative 4. So you know what? I think I'm going to zoom in a little for you. Yeah, that should be good. All right, so the vertex is 3, negative 4, 3, negative 4 right there. What's going on? Okay, and then the x-intercepts are 1, 0. Why is it doing that? You know, I'm going to a different color. Now let's do this. There, okay, and then 5, 0 is right there. And then the y-intercept is 0, 5, right about there. And then look, I'm going to count over 1, 2 to get to here, and then be symmetrical right there. And then let's just connect the dots and connect the dots. Now, got to get a little curve down here, and then the arrows gradually move up. Okay, so what else do we have to do? Let's take a look. We did that, graphed it. Oh, last thing is right here, vertex form. Okay, that is simply f of x equals a. Now that's going to be, the a value dictates how narrow or wide, up or down, x minus h squared plus k. And then again, the vertex is hk. Take a break.